Good afternoon all. So I'm doing a quick tutorial. Actually, I'm going to do two tutorials today, both seafood. The first one is going to be my lunch because I'm home. So I'm going to make, I feel for some salt mackerel. So first thing you do, the mackerel usually comes in a pack and it's usually 2 mackerels together, and I cut each of them in half and put them in a pot of boiling water to scald to get some of the salt off. So once it's boiled, I'll pour off the water and rinse it with cold water and pick it apart, removing most of the excess bones. These are the ingredients that I'll be using to saute the mackerel: some garlic, tomato, onion, sweet pepper, some pimento seeds, allspice, thyme, a little ground black pepper, and I'll be adding just a little bit of this fish seasoning back into it, and some hot pepper. Okay, I'm back with part 2 of the salt mackerel tutorial. So I've already cut up all the seasonings that I showed you in a previous video, and I'm just going to go ahead and add them to a hot pot, which is olive oil. I put olive oil in there. So I'm going to saute them in the olive oil until they're a little bit tender, or until the onion becomes translucent. And I'm going to go ahead and add in my salt mackerel that I've taken the liberty of picking up already. That's the mackerel all picked up, and it was washed in cold water after boiling. And I tried to get out as much of the bone that I could possibly get out. It's kind of hard because it's a lot of bone, but as you eat, you can also pick it out. So if you're somebody who doesn't like a bony fish, then this might not be for you, but if so, you can give it a try. Stay tuned for the finished results. Okay, so this is how it looks when everything is in the pot, cooking down. See, the sweet peppers and the onions have become translucent, and they're soft. So I'm not going to let this stay on the fire too long because the mackerel is already cooked. So just a few more minutes and then I'll be taking it off. But this is how it's supposed to look when it's all finished. It's really good. As I said, if you don't like bony fishes, might not be for you, but it tastes really good.